Hello and welcome to Paris.
You are at the grand finale of L'Oreal Professionnel's Style and Color Trophy.
This competition is comprised of 2 rounds.
You have 4 hours and 30 minutes to complete your color.
Let's do this.
Three, 2, 1, go! Elevate Classic, I think, is a really clever theme because it's really simple in its essence, but how do you reinvent a classic hairstyle? Classic hairstyles are some of the most iconic.
3 words to describe this year's theme: iconic, inspirational, transformative.
I love, love, love this year's theme. Avant-garde is kind of my thing.
My classic that I'm reinventing is panel coloring. I think it's something that's been done throughout the years. It's something that's become a little bit more popular within our generation.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you feeling?
Feeling good. Now
Yeah?
that I've gotten to start, I'm starting to feel a bit more happy, a bit more confident.
For this first round, I'm feeling a lot more excited than I thought I would be, considering I didn't necessarily get the best night's sleep last night, which tends to happen before a competition.
I feel like you're gonna look at it a few times and be like, what the hell is she doing in that corner? But by tomorrow, it'll make so much sense.
Okay. I have all the faith in you.
Yeah.
Where are you starting off here, and where do you think you're going to go with it?
まず黒髪の地毛が黒髪なので、そこにハイライトを入れて、まずは抜きます。そこからその上に色をかぶせていこうと思っています。
今は気持ちはすごいとてもめちゃくちゃ緊張しています。インスピレーションは、今まで見てきた日本にあるもの、日本の景色で、例えば神社だったりとかお寺だったりとか日本にある風景を
Since the theme is a classic look with a modern twist, what element is going to provide that twist?
クラシカルを出して、で黒髪に馴染む部分の赤と青の色で現代感を出せたらいいなというふうに思っています。
Ooh, wow. I can't wait to see that.
Can you tell me a little bit about the inspiration for your color?
For my color process, I wanted to create a softer, wearable for all version of the calico trend. I worked with 8 different pull-through shades for the color blocking, ranging from bright coppers to really deep red violets.
Talk us through a little bit about the inspiration for your color.
Yeah. The color palette that I chose was kind of pinks and mauves. I got the color kind of concept from was Van Gogh. I really love how he creates those shapes and colors and tones and lays all the tones on top of each other. I'm really inspired by the way his brush strokes creates the picture.
Wow.
Very dramatic.
Amazing, wow.
But so am I.
Yeah.
Survive.
Yeah,
Looks like you're almost done.
yeah. I do some roots
Yeah.
with a purple, orange, and yellow.
So are you going for more of a muted pastel, or are you thinking more vivid?
Really flash.
Oh,
Yeah.
Flashy.
Sure.
It's the opposite of French. No?
Ce qui va m'inspirer au quotidien dans la manière dont je vais travailler les cheveux, ça va être beaucoup via des films de science-fiction. Ce que j'espère pour cette première étape de la compétition, c'est que je vais pouvoir pousser mon fond de décoloration là où je veux l'amener et surtout que ça rentre dans le timing de 4h30. C'est short pour une full décoloration.
You're almost done. If I look around, I feel like everyone else has a bit to go.
Yeah.
So I think you're doing well with timing. All right, I'll let you be.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thanks.
So we've spotted a bit of an issue with China.
I'm just a little concerned. Like, I work on a lot of brunettes and Asian hair, and for me, the ends are so dry, and I wasn't sure where she was going. Like, are you intentionally trying to make the top half lighter than the lengths? I'm just curious, because it was a lot lighter on top than it was on the ends.
Yes, I saw that as well.
Didn't want to freak her out,
For sure, you
but
don't want to
I'm
freak
a
her
little
out.
freaked out.
We need a chat.
Is there a reason why you left the ends drier?
它天生发尾有点干，之前做过人工色素，一会儿还要填充上去。
So can I make a suggestion? I would saturate the ends more because wherever you see the strands of hair, it's not going to lift. And right now, it's processing much faster near her scalp versus the ends that are drier.
好的，好。耶。
Remember, I said precision, precision, precision.
Thank you.
But also saturation, saturation, saturation.
我对艺术作品创作方面，对我以前来说是我的短板。通过比赛，加强自己很多技术和艺术上的提升，能够让我达到一个在自己工作上不能实现的一些想法或者做法。
Hey guys, there's 1 hour left. 1 hour left. It's crunch time, guys. As a judge, it's really important to help the contestants get to their end goal, to help them calm their nerves a little bit. Being nervous can really affect your work. So I don't want to make them too nervous, but I also want to push them a little bit. I want to push them to step out of the box and take risk.
ちょっと抜けなくてちょっと時間がかかってます。
今は気持ちはすごいとてもめちゃくちゃ緊張しています。
I would consider using an Airlight Pro.
Thank you.
It might help.
Right?
I'm a little surprised though. I thought it would be more pastel.
Considering she lifted so light.
Yeah, she doesn't have a lot of time left. If I was her, I'd be squeezing my butt cheeks.
Yulan took us on a journey.
Yes.
Just to see where it started. And
Yeah, to where it's, yes, very, very pleasant surprise.
Transformation. Ten minutes, guys.
10 minutes left.
Only 10 minutes left.
And James is drying.
Yeah.
Check
Okay.
it out.
So
James is drying.
he's over
Erica's
there.
smiling.
We're down to seconds, guys. 40 seconds. That's less than a minute. So we have people still applying color, someone at the sink, and we're down to literally seconds. It's the final countdown. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Brushes down.
Congratulations, everyone, on finishing round 1.
I just cannot believe that's just after happening. I'm like, seriously?
ひとまず今日一日終わってまずは半分過ぎたのでちょっと一安心して。
You have done yourself proud. It's incredible.
But 2 of you did not finish your color. We know you can elevate these looks even more.
All right, well, let's get ready because you've got round 2 next. 3,
2, 1.
We're over an hour in and she's still on applying colour.
So now it's time for us to decide who has truly elevated a classic look.